Sorry, scientists. I was just watching some people outside, and I noticed that when they walk, they all have shadows on the ground that kind of follow them. I wonder why at certain times in the day we have shadows. Science Stuff by Mrs. Norton, a real scientist. My question, why do we have shadows? I wonder if it's because of the way the sun is shining. Maybe we have shadows because the sun is lower in the sky in the afternoon or in the morning when there's shadows. My prediction, the sun shines in a certain way at different times in the day. So I wonder what kind of experiment I could do to see if my prediction is right, to see how shadows are made. Maybe I can try to make some shadows. I've seen that done with a flashlight. I wonder if we have anything I can use in the classroom. Oh, this is a pretty big light. I wonder if I can make shadows with this. I did make a shadow. I can see my hand. Let me try with a marker. Ooh, I see my hand and the marker. Mwah, mwah, mwah. My experiment, use a lamp to make shadows. Well, that's very interesting because the flashlight is kind of like the sun, and it wasn't like the flashlight was shining in a certain way. It was when I blocked the light. So maybe we have shadows because the sun is being blocked. So because the building is blocking the sun, it makes a shadow on the ground in the shape of a building. My results. We have shadows when light is blocked. Well, this was a fun science investigation. I'm gonna put this in the green bin for Mrs. Norton so she can see the work that I did. Maybe she'll write back and tell me what she thinks. I know that the next time I look outside or inside and I have a science question that I want to explore, I can come and get a piece of paper and use the pencil in the box or my own pencil to write my name, my question, my predictions, my experiment, using anything in the class that's available as long as I use my materials respectfully, and my results. And then I can turn it in to Mrs. Norton when I'm done. Scientists, science can happen anytime. Anytime we look around and we have a question about something we see or hear or feel or experience. That's how all science starts, with a question. You might be wondering when you can do this. Well, Mrs. Norton, when can I get that paper? Let's say I have a question in the middle of the reading workshop. Should I get up and grab a science sheet and start working? Well, in the middle of the reading workshop, you're working on reading, right? But let's say that in the middle of reading, you have a question. Remember it in your brain. And if you get done with your work early and one of the options on our list is science work, then you will know that that's a work you can do.